In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Notion. If you want your notes or documents to feel easier to read, there are a couple of simple ways to make text appear larger in Notion. It's important to know that Notion doesn't offer a traditional font size menu for regular body text like some word processors do. But you can still create a clearer visual hierarchy and make your page feel less cramped. One of the easiest methods is to use headings. In Notion, headings naturally display larger than normal text, and they're great for emphasizing important sections or breaking up your content in a way that's easier to scan. To do this, type a /. Then choose the heading style you want. Heading 1 is the largest option, so use that when you want the biggest text. Heading 2 is a medium-sized heading, which works well for section titles. Heading 3 is the smallest of the heading styles, but it will still appear larger than regular body text. This approach is especially useful if you want certain lines to stand out without changing the overall structure of your page too much. Another helpful setting to check is small text. If your page looks compressed or the text feels too tiny, this setting may be turned on. To change it, go to the top right corner of your Notion page and click the three-dot menu. In that menu, look for the small text toggle. Make sure that toggle is turned off. When small text is disabled, the page becomes more comfortable to read because the text spacing and appearance feel more open and less condensed. These two options work well together. Headings help you make specific text larger, while turning off small text improves readability across the entire page. If you are organizing study notes, project plans, or longer documents, using both of these features can make a big difference in how your content looks and feels. As a quick tip, try using heading 1 only for major titles, then heading 2 or heading 3 for subsections, so your page stays neat and visually balanced. That way, your content won't just be bigger. It'll also be easier to navigate, and that's all you need to do to increase the font size appearance in Notion.